In this video, we'll discuss how to make a plan to be successful in chemistry and, in fact, in all of your courses. In this class, we'll be using the Timberlake text, and the Timberlake text has several sections that can help you be successful. Our learning goal for this video is to identify strategies that are effective for learning and develop a study plan for learning chemistry. One way that can be effective for some people is studying in a group. Some students find it beneficial to study in a group. Others prefer to learn alone and don't like distractions. You can also contact your teacher if you have questions that other students can't help you answer. To be successful in chemistry, we want to utilize good study habits. In doing so, we want to add some new tools to our toolbox. In other words, connect new information with our knowledge base. Once you identify new information and you learn new information, you want to keep rechecking that to make sure you haven't forgotten anything. And you want to review that information before an exam so you can understand what you've learned and be sure that you remember it. Some students may find these strategies helpful. You don't want to keep rereading your text or your notes. You want to make sure you're making adequate progress, and sometimes students can get bogged down in that. Ask yourself questions as you read through the text. If you work the self tests, you can identify weak areas and work on those. You want to make regular study times to make sure that you're making adequate progress. You want to study different topics in a chapter and relate the new concepts to concepts that you already know. You can look at the concepts that are covered in a chapter at the end of the chapter and make sure that you understand those concepts before you move on to the next chapter. Here are some items which are included in the Pearson text, and most texts, in fact, that can help you understand chemistry better. A periodic table is essential for learning chemistry. Different tables, such as measurement conversions or physical properties, may be found in your text. We have some looking ahead in the Pearson text that can help you identify topics that will be covered, learning goals for the same reason, some reviews that will help you make sure you're ready for the next material, key math skills that may identify weak points that you need to work on, core chemistry skills to make sure you understand all of the topics, key terms that may be found in some of the homework or quizzes, and a glossary and index at the end of the text that can help you identify where material is located. Before you read each chapter, you can obtain an overview of the chapter by reading the Looking Ahead section, and you can review the learning goals that helps you understand what to expect in that section. As you read the chapter, try to answer the question you made from the section title. Pause at the engage questions and test yourself with the questions related to the material. Work through the sample problems. Review the Analyze the Problem feature, which will help you organize some data in the word problems. And try the practice problems that allow you to apply what you've learned. Throughout the chapter, there are tools that'll help you connect concepts to real life, such as chemistry linked to health, linked to the environment, and clinical applications to problems. There are figures, diagrams, and interactive videos in the Pearson text, which will help with your understanding of chemistry. At the end of the chapter, you'll have chapter reviews, concept maps, key terms, key math skills, and core chemistry skills, understanding the concepts, and additional practice and challenge problems. Make sure you make a study plan, such as setting aside time every week to do your homework and to learn new concepts. Reviewing the key math skills and core chemistry skills can ensure that you're ready for upcoming quizzes and exams.